it's Colin from Wurth, and what I want to talk to you about today is the broom handle holders. Now these Wurth broom handle holders are fantastic because I don't know about you guys, but my shed at home, I've got a shovel and a broom and all my bits of equipment all just stacked up in a corner. And I know going into a lot of workshops, it's the same, the broom's over here, the mop's over there and things like that. With this system, it keeps everything nice and neat and tidy. So let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got the two sizes of handle holders. We've got the 20 to 30 mil, so that'll take your standard broom handle size. And then you've got your 30 to 40 mil, and that's for those larger, fatter size ones. But the handles don't necessarily have to be round. They can be different shapes and they'll still lock in. It's quite simple. The rubber sits up like that and the broom handle clicks in. And we'll do that in a moment. Now, the rails that they're on, we've got two. There's a 900 mil and there's a 500 mil. So you can put them on wherever you want. You can also, if you want, you can join the rails. You pull the plastic clips off the end, and I've got both rails here. And when you screw them to the wall, you just butt them up nice and level with each other. And then you can slide these bits up and down for the different gaps, for the different size heads and things like that. Now let's go. I've put one on the wall and we'll see how it works. So now you've seen the holders in action. A couple more points I wanted to make. We also sell them individually. So if you want just to mount one randomly around the workshop to hang a broom on each bay or something like that, you can do it. But also they can be mounted in your service vehicle as well if you want to hang something off them as well. So there you go. The Wurth broom handle holders. A fantastic thing to keep everything nice and neat. So Wurth sell all these components individually, but for the month of October, we're offering 2 packs. The first pack will be the 500 mil rail with 4 holders on it. The second pack will be the 900 mil rail with the 6 holders on it. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a product tutorial without a giveaway. So what I need you to do is go into the Wurth app or eShop, type in the number of each pack, and when you get to the checkout, type in "G'day coffee mug," and we'll throw you in one of the fantastic Wurth hot and cold coffee mugs. Now, I've spoken to you about them before. You know how great they are. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And these broom handle holders, they're ready for work.